If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. To succeed in life, you need two things: ignorance and confidence. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. "20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover." Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. I have never let my schooling interfere with my education. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. A man's character may be learned from the adjectives which he habitually uses in conversation. Better to keep your mouth shut and appear stupid than to open it and remove all doubt. Never put off till tomorrow what may be done day after tomorrow just as well. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It was here first. A lie can travel halfway around the world, while the truth is putting on its shoes. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and a man. A successful book is not made of what is in it, but of what is left out of it. It is so unsatisfactory to read a noble passage and have no one you love at hand to share the happiness with you. It's a classic, something that everybody wants to have read, and nobody wants to read. Always obey your parents when they are present.